Today I'm going to talk about Leaderbrand. Leaderbrand is a New Zealand-based company. So we are 5 members in this organization. So everyone participated in this organization and they little bit discuss about what actually happening and going on in the organization. So next please. And this company it was established in 1975 by the Murray, and it is the head office and the main company in the Christchurch. It's a very huge and a big company, and it's a horticulture based company. And other the brand image of the organization focuses on the health offerings. So basically this company also offer the healthy recipes, salad and lettuce and baby spinach, other kind of ingredients to the customers to gain more profit, and they make a brand image in the market. So next please. So in the nature of business research, I will say about what the company is doing, what they operate, what they actually operate in the company, processing everything. I will show you a little bit video which is also you can guys enjoy, and everything they mention in the what the nature of business of Leaderbrand. So
We grow our baby beets on the fertile plains of mid-Canterbury.
पीछे नहीं यार
it's not working on the video is not working on that.
Escape. Escape.
ऑप्शन ही नहीं है
And open it. And open it in YouTube channel.
सैमसंग में
Copy
ऑप्शन
paste and open.
आईफोन में भी नहीं
But
है
it's not working in the project.
Have you done escape to your
ये पता नहीं क्या है
PowerPoint slide?
Uh,
Remove your PowerPoint
I
slide.
just put it the link.
कौन सा वाला है आग तो चल रहा है हमारी आवाज भी आ रही है
We grow our baby beets on the fertile plains of mid-Canterbury. After 40 years of tried and tested family growing practices, we know it to be the best conditions in New Zealand for growing beetroot, combining sunshine, soil and temperature, producing what Leaderbrand believes to be the best baby beets out there. As always, the process starts in planning with our sales team to develop a plant program and volume forecast to suit our customer and sales requirements. From there we sow, nurture and monitor our crop. The daily care for our beets allows us at just the right time to harvest using the latest, most suitable equipment. The next step in our beetroot is transportation to our post-harvest location, where washing occurs immediately and are graded for defects in size. After separation of those that meet our quality specifications, the beets are transported to our Gisborne facility, where they are refrigerated in preparation for cooking and pouching. Shortly after arrival to our pouch pack facility, our baby beets are steamed and peeled, removing the outer layer. From there they are checked by our food safety technicians, graded, weighed and packaged under our strict quality control program. The portions are vac sealed, with not a single additive, locking in the natural goodness of our baby beets. We then cook the baby beets to ensure shelf life and food safety in the age-old retorque process, effectively pressure cooking the beets. From there our beets go through an incubation period where we monitor to ensure our food safety requirements are not only met but exceeded, all the while being kept in their specifically designed packaging, maintaining the vitamins, minerals and powerful antioxidants beetroot are famous for, before we package and prepare for delivery to the market. After this, our team go through the process of regrading, ensuring our stringent quality standards are met before sealing it in a box ready for delivery to the market. Each pack has a unique traceability number on the back, which allows the consumer to trace each individual product back to its origins. The great thing about our baby beets is their natural flavour, versatility and convenience. No preparation required and ready to eat. Check out our website for our favourite recipes and start enjoying the benefits of our baby beets today. The best beetroot in the world, grown right here on your back doorstep.
At the bottom you can see the PowerPoint slide. Not that one. Yeah, you can cancel this. Up there is a cross button. At the bottom there is a PowerPoint slide. You can see there. Yeah.
So in this video, Nature of Business Research, they showing everything. So firstly, they understand the market trends, what the market want, what they need, and they according growing and farm in the things like ingredients which they use. So in the past, Leader Brand also use the do the farming, like they grow the crops and other ingredients which they use in the salad. But after the growing the business, they decided to increase the more business and they start to make a recipes, smoothies, and they direct supply to the market. So in the nature of business, I will say like the analyze competitiveness of goods and services. So they also focuses on the goods and services to attract more customers. So they directly deal with the Countdown, New World, Pack and Save, and other small vegetable shops. So which is the target market, and understand method of needs of customers as well. So in New Zealand, mostly all the customers like people want a healthy and well recipes, like they also implement by the Leader Brand, and you can see on the website there are many of recipes which are healthy and good for people, and they also want this kind of recipes for their health. So Leader Brand also provide. And another thing is identify new business opportunities. They also think about the new other market opportunities which they implement in the Leader Brand company. So other one is discover the problems areas in business. So in the problems, they think about the customers' wants and demand, what actually customer expected from the leader brand. So they also have expectations because they also offer the health recipes, healthy offerings. So make sure in the future leader brand also provide new recipes, new other salads which are customer they more like and attracted by the leader brand company. Next please. And in the managerial value, so in the managerial value, leader brand is also associated and implemented of the different business activities. So in the different business activities, they can say like they have a particular field, like they have their own farms where particular ingredients they grow. Like baby spinach is the particular field. They have their own employees. They work on and cut the baby spinach, and the other farm they grow the beetroot and corns and other things which are utilized in the salad. So after the growing, they just put all the ingredients in the processing area after they operate, and the quality manager also check everything and health, according to the health and safety terms and conditions. And after that, they put in the packaging area. After the packaging area, they supply to the customers, like they load in the trucks, and after that they supply to the market. So you can see the many packaging in the countdown, Pack and Save and New World, which are you can see the recipes and salads, other kinds of salads. And other thing is the organization needs to analyze the price of different products. So according to the price of products means like what customer want in the quantity. Like in the quantity, customer want like they want 500 grams salad and 1 kg. So according to the price, they start the packaging. Like in the small quantity, in the big quantity, in the huge quantity. Sometimes they supply the huge quantity, like in the crate. So after they supply it's a responsibility of the supplier. They want like a small portion and the big portion and provide to the customers. So it is essential that the business focus on the agriculture economics. This is the best and the important part of the leader brand, because leader brand is a horticulture based company. So they also want to grow the economy from the agricultural sector, in the agriculture sector. So they also accept all the challenges which is led by the other companies like Clearwater Garden and other companies. Those are competed the leader brand company. So these are the challenges, and they accept and develop in the future, and they also operate in the present as well, so that they increase more profit and attract more the customers, so they can grow the more business in the future. So in the research method, the leader brand also implement qualitative and quantitative research as well. So in the qualitative research, we can say the interviews, focus groups, observation and documents. In the interview, we can say internally factor leader brand also had the we can say those have a knowledge about the horticulture based studies. Those have, and they have those enough skills. They do experiments in the company, so they develop more business. So this kind of interviews and documentary and for observation they doing in the leader brand. And in the quantitative, they also survey research and experimental research. The same thing like survey research, they also, when they make a new recipes, so fresh recipes, they also put in the public area or like a countdown or other day, and after that is promotion in the promotion time, they also get a feedback from the recipes, what the customer want, what the customer like. So after the research, they get a new innovative idea, so that they produce more and quality of product to the market. So these are the qualitative and quantitative research done by the leader brand. Those are implemented by all the employees, and experimental management and the observation research as well. So the other slide is discussed by the other mate. Raminder will also discuss.